Welcome to this YouTube channel, or welcome back to this YouTube channel. We have an amazing podcast today. For the first time, I am just going to have words with the trainees of batch B. Basically, we have named it characteristical talks. According to the character of a person, I would be having words. Today, we have a great personality, Mr. Vimal.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Vimal, I welcome you here in this podcast.
Thank you.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
First of all, as I have given this name, characteristical talks, what do you understand by that?
Sir, characteristical talk means I have to talk about my character and all. You will ask question related to my character, and I have to answer according to my character.
Of course. So, what is your character? Let people know about your character. I know very well,
Yes,
but could you tell what is your character and what is your esteem?
Actually, I have told many times my ultimate like in my life, my ultimate goal is to make people around me happy and spread happiness in all over the world, and everywhere I go I try to spread happiness around us.
That's beautiful.
Yes,
As you have one account, I mean Insta
Yes.
ID, and you have more than 3 lakh followers as well.
2 lakh, 2
So
lakh.
2 lakh. I'm
Yes.
sorry, that's my bad. So could you please tell me that what is the motive behind your that channel, or I can say account?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have started this channel in first COVID, and due to I was getting bored and all. Every like whole day I was playing PUBG and all, playing Ludo, and just did time pass and all. So during that time, I have realized this I can utilize my this potential into some in a good way,
Exactly.
which will help me a lot in future.
Exactly.
So one day, as I told also, one day I was using mobile. My mother came and told me that don't use mobile, it will harm you, and you are wasting time and all. You are not doing something productive and all.
Yeah.
So I was a little bit frustrating so what can I do, and why always you scolded me and all the time don't use mobile, and what is this. So my mother told me that you should do something productive, that money came from your mobile.
Oh my God! And you did it.
Yeah.
So do you earn
then-
money now?
Yeah. So then my mother told me that if you are earning from your mobile, then anyone can't stop you to using mobile.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, sir. That's why my inspiration from there. Then I have started my Insta page, Lucknow Memes. In starting, I have started only for fun purpose.
Okay.
Just in my engineering time, I am sharing memes and all. Then I realized why, I also can do same thing about my Lucknow and all.
Exactly.
So
exactly.
then I related India level memes to the Lucknow, and now like in starting I have struggled a lot. There were 0 views and 0 likes.
It happens with everybody.
Yes. Then slowly it grows up, and now it comes across 2 lakhs, more than 2 lakhs, and
That's
now
beautiful.
I am earning also. So I am very happy right now.
Fantastic. So your character is all about not as an influencer,
Yeah.
right? So why this Lucknow memes?
Sir, because of I am living in Lucknow, and I don't want to leave my Lucknow.
Oh.
My friends, there are many friends which went to the other cities for earning and all. So they are doing any private job and all. So they are earning around 30,000 and all, and away from home also they are suffering facing lots of problems. Some of my friends also returned to the Lucknow due to their illness and all. So I have decided I am not going anywhere from Lucknow. So I want to connect my city. That's why I have started Lucknow Memes, and now my work is also just exploring the Lucknow and all.
That's beautiful. You know, I have just got so many messages from the people, right? One person, his name is Prince actually, right?
Yes, sir.
He just sent one message that Mr. Vimal looks like Ojha sir. So what would you like to say about it?
Sir, how can I say the perspective of others? They are saying
Like,
like
we uploaded one video on
Yeah,
political conference, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
the way you talked, supporting Aam Aadmi Party. So that is why I asked that. Do you have any character like Ojha sir?
Sir, I have followed him from long time. So he is also like motivating people and and personality like different from other teachers.
Yeah, yeah.
So I like him also.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Is there any punchline or line that you know of Ojha sir?
Oja sir, there are many punchline and some funny memes are also like viral nowadays.
Which?
There are lots of in Hindi say with gamcha and muffler and all. इसके पीछे मत भागो ये तो झक मार के पीछे आएगा. There are lots of lines and he is also enjoying again and again.
Exactly.
These are the
Fantastic. So, by the way, so the next thing that I would like to ask you, Mr. Vimal, in the last conference, it was kind of Q&A session. By that Q&A session, we could analyze about you that you have multiple targets, the way you expressed yourself, and so many people got motivated, and some of the people got demotivated as well.
Yes.
So I would like you to tell me and tell people that having multiple targets,
Yes.
is it okay or not?
Sir, I think maybe it is not okay, but what we had to do, like in starting, I was preparing for government exam. I have cracked so many exams, but not got selected due to some 1 marks or 2 marks. So I was demotivated. I was got demotivated. So that time I have decided this is not the way I am doing things. I can utilize my potential. I have more potential.
Exactly,
I can
exactly.
utilize this potential in other field.
Okay.
As much as I am efforting for my this government exam, if
Exactly.
I do effort in other field, it will I will got success in that field.
You will get success.
That's why.
That's beautiful.
Yes, sir.
So nowadays, Vimal, the way you are living your life, are you satisfied?
Sir, I am satisfied, but only one problem I am facing. Like at the time of marriage, what will I tell you to the people? Like my family will tell the other side of relative, like what my boy is doing and what my son is doing.
So what is your imagination? What will they be saying?
If they will say like videos banata hai and all, they will.
So what is
understand.
wrong with this? Like,
Sir,
let them say.
Not problem like this. Like there are lots of people who have understand digital marketing, who can understand digital marketing, influencer marketing. But there are lots of people who have don't idea about that.
Oh.
They are thinking like marriage videos and all.
Oh,
That's why this is the biggest problem. This is the biggest problem I am facing right now.
So you should, there should be pre-planning, right? You should
Yeah.
take one day a class of your mother that कि अम्मी अगर शादी होती है तो please tell that कि उसके पास ऐसे subscriber something like that.
Yes.
By the way, so Vimal, a very good question that I would like to ask you that why should people love you
Why should we?
according to your character actually?
According to character, sir, because I have faced, like I can see around my area, around my surrounding, like there are lots of people who are sad and who are depressed, facing some type of like problems. As we can say that every people facing there are so many problems, and he can't be happy all the time. So in every friend circle there should be a person who make people laugh and all.
Oh,
So
okay.
I want to play the character of that person, laughing character.
I have
and
one
all.
challenge for you.
Yes, sir.
You have to make me laugh.
Sir, instantly not.
Do anything so that I can laugh or smile even.
Sir, you are doing a great job, and I got surprised little bit when I read comment on your videos, and when you ask the question like where are you from watching this video, and the people all of the comment related to Pakistan and Bangladesh. Sir, which kind of video are you making? Like in other countries they are appraising a lot other than India and all. I think this is the very yes, sir. But sir, there are more foreigner comment than Indian comment. why Indians are not watching your video? I want to ask you.
The fact is, then a person who watches from Dandaiya Bazaar, he will also say, I'm watching from USA. Are you getting the point or not? So
Yes,
the
sir.
people do not tell the reality.
Oh.
By the way, so Mr. Vimal,
Yes, sir.
is your character helping you out to gain something, to earn something?
Yes, sir. My character is like which people like people are saying like you always enjoying, always make people happy, and why are you be like, and why are you like making people happy? So I want to say that I'm earning from that. Like my work is related to happiness, and I want to create happiness around the Lucknow, around the world. That's why I'm earning from that. That's why I'm doing.
Great, great. The last question I would like to ask you, what thrills you all? Is there anything that makes you like, wow, wow, wow?
Sir, when I have remembered one incident when I went to the Hanumant Dham in 2013 New Year. Then there were few people around me, and I was making some videos and all. Then they came and say, Vimal, Lucknow memes. Then, sir, I have surprised like how can someone like
Know me?
Know
Oh.
me? Yes, sir.
So-
Then, sir, I was happy. Like I never experienced that. I have experienced first time that.
Oh my goodness.
That makes me happy.
So you want to be known by the people saying that, oh, Vimal,
Yes, sir.
Lucknow meme, something like that.
Yes, sir. Sir, I don't want to be famous and all, sir. I just want to like my work will famous. Then it will be a great for me.
How manipulating you are. If your work is famous, you will be famous, of course, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. And dear viewers, this is Mr. Vimal. If you like his talks, you can comment. I will definitely come with another video talking so many things. I have other trainees as well. That is why I have to discuss about characteristical talks. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Could you tell me that how do you see Jammu and Kashmir?
We are safe in Jammu Kashmir, and if
Oh my God.
after that
First, who passed away? Who passed away
my
first?
parents,
I mean, together?
yes,
I mean, at the same day?
yeah,
What happened actually? Could you tell me?
car accident.
Oh my God. Where? In Jammu Kashmir itself?
Yes, sir, in Jammu Kashmir.
So how?
His her birthday.
Oh. So
Because
they
the-
were coming for birthday?
Yes. So on the way, they are both are passed away.
You were with your grandmother
Yeah.
and then your grandmother passed away.
Yeah.
Then you-
Grandmother was passed away in 2019.
19. Okay. And then you became alone
Yeah.
and then you decided to go in orphan house.
Sir,
So somebody motivated you to go in orphan house or?
no, sir, because my family was torturing me at that time.
Oh.
So I feel like they are just forced me to marriage.
Oh my goodness.
I decided to go there.
In orphan house.
Yes, in orphan house for 2 months.